Welcome to Z Auto Advisor. Today, we delve into the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber, a motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic aesthetics with modern engineering. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Scout Bobber pays homage to the minimalist bobber style with its stripped-down appearance, low stance, and blacked-out components. The solo seat and chopped fenders enhance its raw, aggressive look, making it a head-turner on any street. Performance and engine specifications. At its core lies a 1,250 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering 105 horsepower and 82 ft-lbs of torque at 6,300 rpm. This powertrain ensures robust acceleration and a thrilling riding experience. The 6-speed transmission offers smooth gear transitions, catering to both city cruising and highway journeys. Handling and ride quality. The Scout Bobber's low seat height of 25.6 inches provides a grounded feel, boosting rider confidence. However, the rear suspension offers only 2 inches of travel, which, while contributing to its low-slung look, may result in a firmer ride over uneven surfaces. Despite this, its agile handling and stable cornering make it a joy to maneuver. Technological features. Modern technology complements its classic design. The Limited Plus Tech package introduces ride modes and traction control, allowing riders to tailor their experience. A comprehensive digital display provides essential information at a glance, enhancing convenience and safety. Pricing and variants. The Scout Bobber starts at $12,999 for the base model in black metallic. The limited variant is priced at $13,699, offering additional color options like black smoke and sunset red smoke. For those seeking advanced features, the Limited Plus Tech variant starts at $14,699, available in colors such as Spirit Blue Metallic and Nara Bronze Metallic. Conclusion. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber masterfully combines vintage charm with contemporary performance. Its potent engine, distinctive design, and modern features make it a compelling choice for riders seeking both style and substance. For a visual review, check out the following video.